U.S. markets closed for Memorial Day and markets shut down in the U.K. as well. So we didn't see a ton of movement on the TSX. The numbers moving very, very slowly. Although during his trip to Japan, the U.S. president did say the U.S. is not ready to make a trade deal with China. He does expect that one will get done. A big move to the upside on Bay Street for shares in Eldorado Gold. Seems Greece is headed for a snap election, and Eldorado has mining assets in that country. Shares in Canada Goose also higher today, with that company set to report earnings on Wednesday. And some of the marijuana stocks also saw gains today, including Aphria, which was one of the most actively traded on Bay Street. As well this week, we're going to get bank earnings. We'll hear from BMO, Bank of Nova Scotia, and National Bank. Most of those stocks did move higher today. As well, we're going to get an interest rate announcement from the Bank of Canada on Wednesday. Now, no change expected on interest rates, although Bloomberg is pricing in a 6% chance of a hike. We could also hear a more positive tone from the bank on our economy in general. The change in tone, though, is not likely to change policy in the near term. The bank is very, very likely to stay on the sidelines for some time. Bitcoin today close to a one-year high. In fact, its value has more than doubled since March, just shy of $9,000. That's in U.S. dollars. It seems interest in the cryptocurrency is picking up a bit of steam, including from mainstream firms like Fidelity Investments. And Uber is set to report earnings on Thursday. This is the first earnings report since the company went public earlier this month. Now, the ride-sharing company did disclose ahead of its IPO that it's expecting to lose at least $1 billion in the first quarter. The stock, of course, has struggled since going public at $45 a share. That happened earlier this month. On Friday, the stock closed at just above $41. I'm Chris McCusker in the 680 Business Center for City News.